This is how to enter the Easter pays manually using the SmartPayroll system. Click Run a Pay in blue at the top of your screen. And then click the employee's name to come to their pay details screen. Here you can click Add Leave Item. Under Leave Type, click the drop-down arrow and select Statutory Holiday Taken. In the Date From and Date To box, enter the date for Easter Friday or Easter Monday. They may or may not be under the same pay runs. For example, today we will just enter Easter Friday. In the Hours box, the hours will automatically fill in, but if not, just enter the total hours the employee normally works over that period. The rate will be calculated by the system based on the employee's setup. To add another leave item, say if the employee then took some annual leave, click plus Add Another Leave Item at the bottom and enter those days as annual leave. Once the employee's entire leave has been entered, click OK in blue at the bottom of the screen. This will return you to the pay details screen for that employee, and then click Save at the bottom or the top of the screen. Note that any leave hours entered will be automatically deducted from the employee's normal pays, so check that the totals are still correct. If you want to edit the leave, you can click the purple pen, and if you like to delete it, you can click the red trash can. If an employee works on a public holiday, and if it's a day they would normally work, you would enter their leave slightly differently. To do this, click Add Leave Item. This time under Leave Type, select Public Holiday Worked 1.5. In the Date From and Date To box, enter the public holiday or holidays that they worked. Adjust the hours if you need to, and the system will automatically pay the employee time and a half for the hours worked. The employee will also be entitled to a full alternate public holiday, no matter how many hours they worked. To record this, click Add Another Leave Item at the bottom of the screen, and this time select Alternate Public Holiday Earned. Enter the same dates and the same hours as above. You can now see the hours or the day under the employee's current leave balances. This is available for them to take at a later date. When taken, this should be entered as an alternate public holiday taken. Once the leave is all entered, click OK at the bottom of the screen to return to the pay details screen for that employee, and you can now click Save. To return to the list of the employees, click Pay Run List at the top of the left-hand menu or Run a Pay in blue.